Camera. Hi, Sehra. Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. How about you, ma'am?
I'm
I'm
fine,
fine,
thank
thank
you.
you.
Did you all have your breakfast, children?
Yes. Good morning, ma'am.
All had your breakfast?
Yes.
Did you all had your milk?
Yes.
Did you all had your milk? Did you all had your breakfast properly?
Yes.
Did you all wake up early in the morning?
Yes. Yes.
Did you all have your bath?
Yes.
Yes. Did you all groom your hair?
Yes.
Yes. Did
Yes.
you all change your dress?
Yes.
Did you all clip your nails?
Yes.
Yes, I can see Ameya Krishna having a nice haircut. I like that haircut, Ameya. You look beautiful.
Yes.
Okay. Gauri, hi. Yes. Nasaha, Mahadev, Alazia, Adon, Isan, Ethan, Zehra, Pia Vinu, Mia Teresa, Nakshatra, Dante. Hi. Arav Krishna, your camera is not clear, Kanna. Ask your mommy to wipe the camera. I think it's misty there. I cannot see you clearly. Or sit in opposite of the light. Okay? Tell your mommy to put the screen camera the other side down. Okay? Okay. Aditya Sunil, good morning.
Good morning,
Nakshatra, Abel, Freya.
ma'am.
Abel Biju, hi. Ready for writing? Having a pencil in hand. Elaine, Srinidhi. Srinidhi, where are you? You're not to be in the seat. I can see your father, but not you. Sahash, Sasha, Sarish, good morning. Maya Krishna, Avni, Daksh Pillai, um, Mahadev, yes. So, Namaswi, Nathaniel, Dias, okay, all of you are there? Okay, 32 participants are there. Shall we start our class, children?
Yes.
Shall we start? Okay,
Yes. Yes.
okay. So, you want to stand up? You want to stand up and you want to do the prayer? Yes, stand up all of you then. Stand up, join your hands, close your eyes. Okay, stand up, join your hands, close your eyes, and let's do the prayer. Okay, our dear Father in heaven, we thank thee for this wonderful morning. We surrender each one of us into thy hands. Dear Father, bless us, guide us, guard us, give us thy spirit, give us thy knowledge, give us thy wisdom, so that we may serve thee. Dear Father, bless our parents, teachers, and all our friends and their families. Bless the hands who make food for us. Dear Father, bless all the people who are suffering from coronavirus. Bless all the healthcare workers and heal them. Bless and heal the world. We ask all these things humbly in thy precious name. Amen. Open your eyes, all of you. Okay. Okay. Children, I'm going to introduce today, any guess, a new topic. What is the topic? I'll give you a clue. Okay. You all love to eat me. I'm very sweet. Okay. Listen. You all children all love to eat me. I give you vitamins and minerals. I'll give you energy. Okay, I come in different colors. I'm very tasty to eat. Who am I? Any guess?
Yes.
What? It's fruits. Okay, today Mama is going to teach you fruits. Okay, you love to eat fruits. Do you all eat fruits? Yes? You know what, children? Fruits are very good for health. Okay, fruits are always very good for health. And you must eat fruit every day. If you don't eat fruits, you won't become strong. You won't have any vitamins in you. You won't have any minerals in you. You need all that to grow strong and healthy. Got it? So Mama has come with so many fruits today. Today we will learn 4 fruits. Okay, we will learn 4 fruits. Okay? So before we learn the fruits, the first fruit I'm going to introduce, give you a guess. You will guess what fruit is that. Okay? I come in red and green in color. Okay? I come in red and green in color. Let me finish. Children, let me finish. Please wait. Please wait. Let me finish all that. Listen, I need your listening ears. When I say, who am I? Only then you give the answer. Now you don't give the answer. Listen, listen. You always need listening. Okay. The first one. I come in red and green in color. I have few seeds in me. Okay, I am crunchy and sweet. Crunchy, when you bite me, you feel like crunchy, and I'm sweet in taste. I keep you away from doctor. Who am I? Yes, it's apple. Okay. Yes. What is apple? Red color apple and green color apple. How do you eat? How do you eat apple? You peel the skin. Yes. And you cut the apple and you eat it. Right? Apples are always good. It keeps you, yes, it keeps you very healthy. Okay. Every day you should eat an apple. So we used to sing that song. What do you sing? Apple a day keeps doctor away. Apple in the morning, doctor's warning. Rose apple at night. Have doctor on side. Eat an apple going to bed. Doctor 3 each day, 7 days a week. Rudy apple, Rudy cheek. Rudy apple, Rudy cheek. Okay. Now, I want to give you one more information. Listen, listen, listen. Fruits are a rich source of vitamins and minerals. You should make sure that you're eating it every day. There are some children, they don't eat fruits at all. Mummy has to run behind them. Eat apple, eat banana, eat grapes. They will say, no, 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 no. And they keep running. If you do that, you are not going to go strong. Okay, you're going to lose, you're going to become weak. You will not have any immunity power. What is immunity power? When we get cough, when we get cold, when we get fever, our body has immune. It reacts, it fights with our the virus which gets in. Okay, for that we need all the vitamins, minerals, proteins, all that we need in our body. So where do we get? We get all this from the food we eat. So all the time eat healthy food. Okay, and one more thing I wanted to tell you is that what is fruit? What is a fruit? A fruit is a sweet, edible part of a plant or a tree. What does that mean? If you have seen plants, you have seen trees. Okay, the edible part which we can eat is called a fruit. Okay, sometimes the fruits have few seeds. Sometimes it has only one seed. Sometimes it has no seed. Okay, for example, mango. How many seeds does a mango have, children? Do you know? Mango. Have you eaten mango? Yes, mango, the ripe mango. How many seed does it have inside?
One.
One. Yes. So the next fruit we are going to learn is mango. Okay, this is mango. M for mango. It is yellow or sometimes very ripe. It becomes orange in color. Okay, yeah, it is yellow in color or orange in color. Mango is the tastiest fruit. What do you know about mango? It is the real tasty fruit. And you know what? It has got one big seed. And one more thing, you know what's the speciality of the mango? It is called the king of fruits. What is that? It's called the king of fruits. King of fruits. Who is the king of fruits? Mango. And it is also the national fruit of India. Which country do we all live in? We all live in India. Okay, and you know, yes, we live in India. And what is the national fruit of India? It's the, and you know what, Nancy ma'am love mangoes. Okay, yes, mangoes. Mangoes, when it is raw, it is green in color. Raw na parna enda, it's pachakirikkumbo. It's green in color. When it becomes ripe, okay, when it is ready for eating, it becomes yellow or orange in color. Okay, yes. Then, so when I ask a question like this, I'm the king of fruits. I'm the national fruit of India. I have only one seed. I'm very tasty fruit. Who am I? What is the answer? Yes, you are right. One more question to you. I'm a fruit. I'm red in color. Sometimes I come in green in color. I keep you away from doctor. Who am I? Apple. Yes. So we finished learning apple. We finished learning mango. Let's learn about the grapes. Okay. Okay. So what do you know about grape? Grape always comes in bunches. Can you see here? Grapes come in bunches and it comes in different colors. You see red grapes, you see purple grapes. Ham has only two colors. It also comes in green color. You also see black grapes. Okay, grapes come in different colors. And see the way how it comes in bunches. What is this called? Bunches. What is this called? Bunches. This is one bunch of grape. This is another bunch of grape. Okay, can you see the bunches? You like it? You want to eat?
Yes.
You want to eat? Okay, so grape. What is for grape? What's the sound starts with for grape? G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. And grape is a fruit. Okay, it come in bunches. Okay, some grapes don't have seeds in them. They don't have seeds. Sometimes grapes have, most of them have seeds in them. They have one or two seeds inside this. When you eat the grape, when you pluck it, you eat it, you will find two seeds inside. That you have to spit it out. You should not eat the seeds. Okay, you will spit it out. So grapes are very good for health, and they are very juicy also. Some children love to drink juice from grape juice. Okay, then so let me ask you the who am I question. I am a fruit. I come in bunches. I come in red, green, and purple in color. Who am I? Who am I? Yes, you're right. Okay, the next fruit. The next fruit I'm going to ask you, I'm going to teach you is
Banana.
yes, banana. What color is the banana?
Yellow.
Yellow. And what letter comes from for banana? B. B for banana. B for banana. And does banana have a seed in it, children?
No.
No. Banana is a fruit which has no seed. Okay, and it gives us instant energy. The moment you eat one banana, you get energy fast. Okay, and banana comes in two colors. It comes sometimes in yellow color, and it also comes in green color. Have you eaten Robusto bananas? Ask your mommy to buy it next time. Its skin is green in color. Okay, and most of the bananas are yellow in color, and there is one more banana, its skin is red in color, that has got a lot of energy and strength in it. You have to eat that banana. Okay, I don't know the name of it. Okay, but there is one red colored skin banana. Tell your mommy to buy it next time when she goes to the shop. Okay, so you can see yellow bananas, green bananas, and also that red one. Okay, so let me ask you a question. The guess who are my question? I'm a fruit. I come in yellow and green in color. You peel me and you eat me. You peel my skin and you eat me. I don't have any seed in me, but I give you instant energy. Who am I? Okay. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Okay, let me ask you a few questions. The who am I questions. Are you ready to listen? Okay, now Nancy ma'am is going to mix all the fruits. I'm going to mix the apple, banana, grape, and mangoes, and mix, and I will choose one fruit from here. And I will ask a question to you. Now you will guess which fruit is that. Ready? Okay. Listen. I have touched one fruit. I will show you in the last when you give me the answer. Okay, listen carefully. I am a fruit. I come in bunches. I come in red, green, purple in color. Some of them have seed and one type. Listen, stop. Parents, instruct your children. Parents, instruct your children to give the answer. Stop talking. Stop talking. You're not listening. I'm muting you all. Listen carefully. Children, I want you to give the answer only when I say, who am I? I didn't finish my questions. This will come for your exam also. That's why I want you to listen carefully. Unless I finish, don't give the answer. When I say, who am I? Then give the answer. Till that, listen. Okay? Okay, listen carefully. I'm a fruit. I come in bunches. I come in red, green, and purple in color. Okay? You find me hanging on my plant, and I start with the letter G. Who am I?
Yes.
Now unmute and give the answer. Who am I? Grapes. Yes, I am the grape. Who am I? I am the grapes. So what is the question? How did ma'am ask you the question? I am a fruit. I come in bunches. I come in 3 different colors, red, green, and purple. I have seed. Sometimes I don't have seed. I hang on my plant. Who am I? Then that is grape. Okay. The next question. Listen carefully. I'm going to ask you the next question. Watch carefully. I'm a fruit. I am the king of fruits. I come in yellow and orange, or when I am raw, I am green in color. Now, I have only one seed in me. I have only one seed in me. Who am I?
Mango.
Wonderful, excellent. That's called a mango.
Mango.
Good. The next question. I am a fruit. I come in 2 different colors. One is, 3 different colors, yellow, green, and red. You peel my skin and you eat me. I don't have seed in me. Who am I?
Banana.
Banana. Is it a grape? Is it a grape? No. How do you eat banana? You peel the skin and you eat the
Banana.
eaten. So that's the banana. The next question, let me ask you. The next question, let me ask you. Be careful. Be attentive. Watch. Listen carefully. Observe. Okay. The first question. The question again. I am a fruit. I am crunchy and I'm sweet. I come in two different colors. One is red, another one is green. I have few seeds in me. Okay? Who? And I keep you away from doctor. Who am I? Yes, it's me, the apple. It's me, the apple. Who am I? It's me, the apple. So children, you learnt apple today. Yes, you learnt banana today, right? And you also learnt about the mango. And then you learnt about the grapes. Okay, so today you will play the game with your parents. Okay, in your textbook, page number 64. 1 minute, let me take the page. Page number 30, you have fruits. Okay, today you will learn the name of these 4 fruits. Okay, apple, grape, banana, and mango. Okay, and the song you will sing. Let's sing that song, Peel Banana song. Yes, peel banana, peel, peel the banana, banana. Sing it together. Okay, peel banana, peel banana, banana, cut banana, shake banana, shake banana, drink banana, drink banana. Okay, and what about the apple song? Apple a day, send doctor away. Apple in the morning, 'cause morning last night. Hug the doctor, I'll try. Eat an apple going to bed. Knock the doctor on the head. 3 each day, 7 days a week. Rudy apple, Rudy cheek. Rudy apple, Rudy cheek. Okay, so that's the song we learned. Okay, today you will practice these 4 fruits. Okay, M for mango, G for grapes, A for apple, B for banana. Okay, now if somebody asks you name some fruits, you will say apple, mango, banana, grapes, and there are more other fruits that we'll see in the next class. Okay, now let's see the new letter that we are going to learn. Okay, fruit is over now. Okay, now Nancy ma'am is going to teach you the letter of the day. What is the letter we are going to learn today? It's letter X. X for X-mystery, X for X-ray. Okay, when we are sick or when we fall down, we break our legs or something happens, we go for doing a X-ray. Okay, to see the bone, to check our bones if it is correct or if it has any problem. Okay, so X for X-ray, X for X-mystery. Okay, shall we see how to write letter X? Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Please watch.
Let's land. Miss amount left curve right curve.
Excellent.
Okay, I can hear some parent talking. Please mute your mic. Okay. Now, parents, children, please watch. We are going to write the X. How are we going to write the X? See, make a slant, make a right curve, go back on the same curve, make a C curve, come back on the same line to meet the curve. This is letter X. One more time, ma'am is going to show you how to write X. Please watch. Please watch. I'm going to show you one more time how to write the X. Make a slant line. Make a right curve. Go back on the same line and make a C curve. Come back on the same line to meet the curve. See, they are meeting here. Okay, some children go like this. That is wrong. You have to stop when this curve is meeting this curve, when it is looking up like that. So the capital X is like this, the small x is like this. Okay, I will show you on the 4-line book how to write the X. Shall we all write it together? Okay, watch carefully. Let me take my 4-line book. Okay, so here ma'am is going to write. Okay, see the slant. You start from the blue line, make a slant, make a right curve, go back on the same curve, make a C curve to meet the other curve. Now start writing, everyone. This is letter X.
Like this.
Okay, this is letter X. This is letter X. Okay, practice writing X, children. Yes.
With standing line. Like this curve.
Finished?
Standing line. Slanting line.
Okay.
Curve. Okay. Yes.
Can you show me your X if you have finished? All my children, can you put up the paper? If you have written 2 times, please show me your X. I would like to see. Yes, Aditya Sunil, good. That needs a slant. Aditya's mummy, it has to start with a slant. Yes, beautiful, Aitana. Ayush, show me properly. Aditya Sunil, mummy, make him write one more time. It has to start with the slant. Sandy,
Okay, ma'am.
good. Viavino, good. Zahra, good. Show me, everyone. Ethan Vinish, good. Ayush, good. Amaya, good. Isa, good. Gauri, good. Mia Teresa, Rhea. Gauri, show me your paper one more time. Rhea, good. Elaine, you're writing S and show me. I'm showing you X. Elaine, yes. Now, I'm seeing yes there. Show me X. Okay, thank you, Elaine. Good. Orville and Wilbur, show me. Rituparna, beautiful. Beautiful X. I fell in love with your X. Rituparna, X is super. Yes. Amran, beautiful. Nathaniel, good. Mahadev, Nathaniel, it has to start with a curve. Nathaniel's mummy, tell him to start with a curve then. Slant line, sorry. It has to start with a slant and then comes. Mahadev, show me closely. Show me closely. Is this starting? It's very small. I cannot see Mahadev. Is his mother sitting there? Put it close. Yes, thank you. Good. Saharsh, good. Sasha, where is yours? Sarish, where is yours? All the 3 show me together. They didn't finish. Is it Sarish work, which I saw now? Can you unmute and give the answer? Yes, please show me. Saharsh? Yes, good. Sasha? Put it close. I'm not able to see. Yes, thank you. Sarish, the other one? Okay, thank you. Now, Orville and Wilbur, I would like to see. Orville's work. Put it close. Orville's mummy, help him to show it close. It's glaring. Thank you. Good. The other one, Wilbur's work. Wilbur's work. Yes. Angel Mary, good. I'm seeing your work. Angel Mary, good. Abel Biju, good. Alasia, good. Ritika, good. Okay. Thank you, children. Now, let me share my screen again. Please identify the letters which I'm writing. Okay. What is this letter, children? Letter?
C.
C. This one?
O.
This one?
A.
This one?
E.
E. This one? This one.
U.
What about this one? W. Good. What about this one? B.
V.
What about this one? M. This one? N. What about this one? What about this one? Yes. And what about this one? Letter X. Okay. Okay, thank you for learning letters and identifying the letters with ma'am. Now I'm going to show you the max. Okay, please watch. I'm going to show you max. Okay. Now, children, please watch. Today we are writing numbers 16 to 20. Got it? Please watch. I'm going to write. I'm going to show you. The other day we learned from 11 to 15. Today we are going to write the numbers from 16 to 20. See? 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. And 2, 0, 20. How do we read these numbers, children? Read with ma'am. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 19. Careful, we are going to change it to 2. 2, 0, 20. 0, T. Okay, so everybody write and show me 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Write 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Please write. 1, 6, 16. Say and write, children. You all know to write. I know you are giving space. 1, 6, 16. Tanvi, beautiful. 1, 7, 17. Rhea, great. Adon, beautiful. Please write 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Yanti, show me good. Satino, good. Gauri, where is your writing? Okay. Those who finished writing this, please start writing from 0 to 20. Let's write it together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then we start writing from 11. Okay, my board has gone up, so I'm not going to change it now. Parents, ask your children to write with number. Okay, then the children, Nancy ma'am's board has gone up. I'm not writing. Please, our parents, ask your children to start with that 1. Okay, 1, 1, 11, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, and 2, 0, 20. Okay? Now all my children, write, see and show ma'am your numbers. I would like to see the numbers 1 to 20. Evil, good. Down, good. Issa, did you finish? Ayush, good. Pia, finished. Sanvi, finished. Show me, show me. Rhea, beautiful. Your numbers are very big and beautiful. Abel, good. Abel, beautiful. Itana, good. Gavri, good. Nasaha, good. Daksh Pillai, good. Okay, parents, I think I'm exceeding the time from the other class. Children, you can write this. I will be asking you to show me in the next class. Okay, now can we all wind it up? Stand up and say thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Children, stand up and say thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. See you all. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
You too.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye-bye.